What's guys, I'm watching the video too long time. Oh my god. Well, we have a box. Box came today in the mail. I know what it is. You guys don't know what it is. But yeah, we'll see what we have here. Let's see this. Oh, it's this one. So we open this up, and this is it. Woo! Okay. Take all this stuff, and this is the yeah. Okay, you ready, guys? In 3, 2, 1. Boom. This is the pekka statue. Yeah. So this box looks very cool. Very cool. I guess I could just take this out, hold this up like that, and I don't know why it says Clash of Clans. Where's Clash Royale? Okay, I'll keep that box. Second. Wow, this is very hard to pull out. Okay, use my handy dandy pen. And no, not. Oh, it's the pen. Oh, do this. Sorry guys for all this stuff. Whoa. Okay, I'll do it like this. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, I dropped the camera. Oh. Wow. 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 It's very heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, this is so freaking cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put a setup in my room quickly. Yeah, here we go. Okay, let me set this up quickly. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, guys, here he is, the Stone Pekka himself. That is crazy. I'm actually not gonna lie. Let's see. Okay, so this is Stone Pekka. Has a lot of detail on it. I got this from the Supercell shop. I'll just leave it in the description down below. And here's the box again. It says that every single package that comes with a pin, but there was no pin in this. Well, really, there was no pin. It's not in the box either. Okay. This is the Stone Pekka box. I'm gonna keep this box because it's cool. So I'll be back so I can show my dad. It's right here.
You show Hugo? Oh, he's in Costa Rica, right?
Yeah. It's right there.
He's away? Luna, I want you drinking this here.
Okay, take it.
Clean up that mess.
The video. So guys,
You showed it already.
this is Stone Pekka.
That's too long of a video.
Dad, it's only just that.
Oh, you finished it though?
Oh my god. Just ignore my dad, guys. He's a cuckoo head. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Me unboxing the Stone Pekka. I'll leave the description of the shop down below if you like to buy one yourself. If you want to buy one yourself. Anyway, ow, that really does hurt though. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like on this video. leave a pekka like on this video, I guess. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess. And you never know. I may come back with something else. You never know. I may come back with a baby dragon plush. I don't know. Oh, wait, what? I spoiled it for you guys. So, I'm probably gonna, get a baby dragon plush. But I don't know. We'll see. So, once again, I'll put it right here on my desk. Like always. I'll put it right there. Just boom. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button again. See you guys next time in the next video. Bye.